Welcome, and thank you for being here. For the next few minutes, there is nowhere to be and nothing to do but to breathe and to rise. Let's begin. Find a comfortable place to sit or to lie down. Allow your spine to be tall and easy, your shoulders soft, your hands resting gently. And whenever you're ready, let your eyes gently close. Take a slow breath in through your nose and a long, soft breath out. Again, breathe in, filling slowly, and release, letting the day fall away. One more time, breathe in and out. Now simply let your breath find its own gentle rhythm. There is nothing to force here, only to allow. Bring your attention to the base of your spine, the place where you meet the earth. This is where our journey begins. At the base of your spine rests a coil of sleeping energy, your root. Picture a warm, glowing light there, the deep red of glowing embers. With each breath, this red light grows a little brighter, steady, and safe. Feel it sending roots downward, beneath you, into the earth, holding you, supporting you. You are grounded, you are safe, you belong here. And as your root awakens, feel the first stirring of energy, ready to rise. Let that energy drift upward now, just below your navel, to the warm orange glow of your sacral center. This is the home of your creativity, your feeling, your flow. Imagine a soft orange light here, moving like gentle water, loosening anything held tight. Breathe into it and let it flow freely. Feel the red and the orange glowing together now, the energy climbing higher. The light rises again to the center above your navel, your solar plexus. Here, a bright golden sun begins to glow, the seat of your power, your confidence, your will. With each breath, feel this golden light grow warmer and stronger, filling you with quiet strength. You are capable. You are enough. Now look inside you and see red, orange, and gold rising together within you. Let the energy rise into the very center of your chest, your heart. A soft, radiant green light begins to bloom here, opening like a flower turning toward the sun. This is the bridge between the earth below and the heavens above. Breathe into your heart and feel it fill with warmth, with love, with compassion for others and for yourself. Let any heaviness soften and dissolve into this green light. Feel your whole body glowing now, from root to heart, as the energy continues to rise. Watch the energy move upward, settling into your throat chakra as it starts generating a clear, calming blue energy. Let this energy unblock your voice, your truth, your expression. Imagine this blue light clearing your throat like a gentle sky opening after the rain. This unlocks your ability to speak your truth with kindness and love. Breathe in deeply now, full with the light of your voice, unhindered. Now bring your gentle attention to the space between your eyebrows, your third eye. A deep indigo light begins to glow here, the color of the night sky, scattered with stars. This is your intuition, your inner knowing, your wisdom. As this light awakens, you may notice a soft sense of stillness, of clarity, of seeing beyond the eyes. Trust what you feel, trust what you sense. The energy is almost home now, rising toward the crown. And now the light reaches the very top of your head, your crown. A brilliant violet light blossoms here, and then brighter still, pure, radiant, white. Feel it open like 1,000 petals unfolding to the sky. The sleeping energy that began at the base of your spine has risen all the way and now flows freely, a column of light through your entire being. Red, orange, gold, green, blue, indigo, violet, into white. In this moment, you are connected to everything, to the infinite, to the source of all things. There is only light and peace and you. Rest here in this awakening for as long as it lasts. Slowly, let this radiant light begin to settle. Feel it pour back down through you, filling every part of your body with calm, golden warmth. Each of your 7 centers glows gently now, balanced, open, alive. This light, this energy is no longer separate from you. It's a part of you now. And it's always here, waiting whenever you return to your breath. Carry this peace with you. Begin to bring your awareness gently back. Notice the surface beneath you, the gentle sounds around you. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. And when you're ready, softly open your eyes. Thank you for sharing this practice with me. If it brought you a moment of peace, subscribe and join me again for your daily quiet power.